on Sprite red, tractor on Sprite red, bright red, tractor on Sprite red.
Let me see you smoke weed every day.
Oh, get on with it!
The sooner we get this haystack built, the we can go and cool down.
But their afternoon sleep didn't last long.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, friends, how much I love you. You have been my sunshine today.
Come on, Tom. You can do it.
Oh, 3, 2, 1.
The ducks still couldn't find anywhere to settle.
Get off me! You can record any ringtone you like. Oh no, I've lost it.
I'll call your phone and you listen for the ringtone.
This is a robbery.
You must have dropped it somewhere outside.
In the barn, the ducks still couldn't find anywhere to sit.
Hold up! Freeze frame! You guys seen this?
Be quiet, Mo. Mo. Shush. I'll call the number again. Tom, what the fuck are you doing?
Hey, put me down.
I don't fucking know what's got into you two. We're looking for Matt's fucking phone. We haven't got time to play games.
Let's go.
Where have they gone? Oh, no. Someone's left the gate open. Get the fuck out.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool?
No. You drink water from the river. Help!
A man has fallen into the river in Lego City.
Ryan, look out! Rev, you two little...
I believe I can fly.
If only I could join you there in the air, floating free without a care. I wish I could fly and see things with a different eye. I would fly so very high and touch the sky and never have to ask why it is that I can't fly.
This is even more painful than it looks.
Oh, come on.
I walk this empty street on the boulevard of the...
I'm not ready yet, but this really is a very good idea. Promise. Whoa! Ow! 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 Ow!
Get the fuck out. No, 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 no.
Did I leave this at the farm?
No.
Some buzzing sheep, one at a time. Oh dear. Some buzzing sheep, one at a time. Oh dear. Some buzzing sheep, one at a time. Oh dear.
This could take some time.
Ryan, look out!
Fee had started to pick carrots. Snicker came to see what was going on. And he was pleased that he had. Snicker loved carrots.
Snicker, have you been eating my carrots? Oh, yes, you have. That's fucking naughty. Come back!
Back in the farmyard, Buzz noticed something that puzzled him.
Just then, Buzz heard something funny coming from the hen house.
Spinning horses? Spinning hens? Buzz was still trying to solve the mystery of the spinning animals. He found quite a few more clues.